acting.
Yeah.
We don't want to give too much away, but I think we have a little clip of what you're talking about so people can understand why it was so difficult for you.
Oh, come on. Don't be shy. We're past that.
You've been so sweet when you were knocked out.
Another drink?
Oh, why don't I take off that tape so you can say yes? One thing. You scream again, I'll shove your own gun right down your throat.
You know what? Shoot me.
Is that hard for you to watch?
Wow.
Yeah. Sure it is. It was hard. You know, it's hard to shoot, and when you're acting, your body doesn't know the difference, right? Of acting or being in reality. You try to keep it real, so it was tough.
Where do you go to in your brain for that?
I think you pretty much play the what-if game, you know? It's just about believing it. I think that's what, you study your whole life to be focused and present. And for me, with the work that I do with Joyful Heart, I've had the opportunity and the pleasure to work with side by side with so many real-life survivors. And, their stories that, it's an honor to... the bar is set high to keep it real and have integrity about how scary that would be.
A lot of times, especially in a long-running series, actors have to make that decision. Do I stay? Do I go? What is it that keeps you coming back year after year?
Great writing. I've fallen deeply in love with this character, and that's what I was saying about, after 15 years, people go like, I can't believe you're so invested or you care so much, but I love this show, I love this character, and now with the work with Joyful Heart that I do, this, foundation has sort of found my life's work, my other life's work. This is the No More symbol, and we just, it's our, the easiest way to describe it is after 40 years, this is the first time in history that the sexual assault and domestic violence movements are coming together. It's sort of like what the pink ribbon did for breast cancer or the red ribbon did for HIV/AIDS. So we just did a PSA, it launched on Monday, and I had 40 amazing celebrities, actors, athletes, people like yourselves, all come up and sort of join the cavalry and say, no more. Together we can end.
That's great. Do you ever think about what role you want to play next, or are you just content with being Olivia Benson right now?
I think about it all the time. I want to do comedy. You want to do comedy?
We love you.
You are funny. People don't realize.
I'm hilarious. So we do that sort of between takes on the show. There's a lot of shtick. People come over and they're going, why is behind the scenes it's like a sitcom? But not in front of the camera.
You hear that dum-dum. Serious mode hits.
In the street and say, Olivia.
Big deal.
They think that they know you.
Mariska Hargitay, always great catching up.
Thank
Come back and visit us more.
Thank you. Anytime. Thank you.
Good luck. By the way, you can catch the season 15 premiere of Law & Order Special Victims Unit tonight at 9/8 Central, right here on NBC.
And still ahead, one-on-one with Michael J. Fox on his battle with Parkinson's and his much-anticipated return to primetime on NBC.
First, read messages. The rambling West Side Apartments at